Hi, little puppy dog. You're almost 3 weeks old, and you're moving around pretty good. There's another one moving around pretty good. Boy, they're up on their feet. They're looking for mom. She's not in here right at the moment, but she will be. Huh. Hi, puppies. Hi, little puppies. Hello, little puppies. This little dark girl. Hey, you. That's little fat girl. Moving around pretty good. Like a Lance. On a mission. Where's mom? Where is she? Where'd she go? I know. Where is she? She's got to be around somewhere. Yep. What? Hey, little boy. Oh, I know. She'll be back in a minute. She will. She'll be back in a minute. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. I know. That's little boy that's making noise. Ah, little boy. Ah, little boy. Yes, little boy. He says, I'm making noise. I'm going to find my mama. That's little dark girl. Okay, I got to go find mom.